Variables can also be declared inside a function. These variables are considered to be in the local scope or block scope. A variable declared inside a function can only be used inside that function. If you try to access it outside of the function, you get a reference error. To see this in action, use const to declare a test. Inside your Padro function, initialize it with the value testing. Okay, const test with the string value testing. Don't forget the semicolon. Then below your function, below here, you have to console.log the test. You will see an error because it is defined outside the function Padro. So this variable is a local scope because it is only inside a block scope, which is the Padro. And we tried to log it outside of it. So it has an error. It has been, let's say, gatekept, or it has been sealed away. So anyways, it says, then below your function, try to log test to the console. Okay, what? Yeah, let's remove this one and pass the test. What? Remove the console log. Ah, okay. To pass the test and continue. Yep, nice.